Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to explain why a 404 error might appear on the checkout page in Eoocommerce. If customers are not able to complete their purchase because the checkout page cannot be found, we need to fix this right away. We want to show you the common reasons for the 404 error on the Eoocommerce checkout page and how to avoid it. This can happen because of broken permalinks, incorrect page settings, plugin problems, complex term issues, or if the checkout page was accidentally deleted. Finding the cause quickly helps get your checkout process working again and prevents lost sales. Now, let's look at how to fix the 404 error on the checkout page in Eoocommerce in the simplest way. First, open your browser. Once your browser is open, go to Eoocommerce.com and log into your account. After logging in, go to My Stores. Click My Stores. Then, click your store or site. And we will go to the WordPress admin dashboard. Here, we will fix the 404 error. First, go to the Pages section. Under Pages, select all items and move them to Trash. Once they are in the trash, click Apply. After applying and moving to trash, the pages are now clean. Now, go to the Eoocommerce section. Select Eoocommerce, then go to Status. Once you're in the System status, go to Tools and scroll down until you find Create Default Eoocommerce Pages. Choose this so that a new set of default pages will load. Click to run this tool and then click OK. Once it is finished, the 404 error on the checkout page should be fixed. This is why a 404 error should not appear on your checkout page once you find and fix the cause. Your store should work normally again,